Hi everyone. Today we will discuss a research paper review entitled General Requirements for Industrial Augmented Reality Applications by Moritz, Quandt, Benjamin Snook, Christian Gorldt, Michael Freitag, Klaus-Dieter, Thoben. Their goals and objectives based on a review of the literature. This paper tries to give a structured look at the general needs for AR applications in the industrial sector. Additionally, it aims to create an industrial augmented reality application in order for the individuals to be much more engaging and effective in terms of knowledge retention. For the methods, the study is to analyze, evaluate, and a database on experiments and calculation results. The researcher used mixed method to keep tracking the result from the measurements and experiments. Apart from that, they keep on trying which way are more efficient and well organized when evaluating the ER application. How have they gathered the relevant data? The participants are those individuals under trainee level or service technician, welders, and in company under industrial sector based. So how is the data gathered set up? The data gathered by setting steps and references based on the previous approach of ER application. And what are the tools or techniques used in the data gathering? So the tools used in data gathering is through case study and occasionally observation. How do they form the data set? The data undergone on different processes to come up with a new data set, and this can be obtained by observing, analyzing, and evaluating the data results from the different applications. How do they process the data? The data processed by navigating through the maintenance process based on the main components of a wind energy turbine, processing individual work steps providing process relevant information on the data classes. Next, providing virtual auxiliary materials for carrying out individual work steps. And next is documenting measurements, data, and performed maintenance process. So what were their findings? So based on the findings on both studies with industrial ER applications, the augmented reality-based assistant systems for wind energy technicians and augmented reality training simulators for welders, the individual degree of satisfaction has been graded on a scale from very poor to very good in collaboration with the developers and test users based on the experience gained during system development and field testing. As you can see, for the augmented reality-based assistant system for wind energy turbine or technician is the real time and setup time has a very good score, and the ergonomy, data security, and applicable ergonomy, data security, have a good score, and the last one is applicable regulation has a fair score. And for the augmented reality training simulators for welders, the real-time capability, setup time have very good score, and data security, ergonomy, cost effectiveness, applicable regulations, and system reliability have good score. Next. So what were the gaps in their studies or findings? So AR applications have specific limits that can lead to application hurdles, which is a gap in these studies. The existing augmented reality hardware utilized by the application is not technologically mature. So cost effectiveness can only be achieved through time or resource savings. So what are my takeaways or insights? So as what I have noticed, the idea of this research is really helpful since it is one of the advancement of since it discussed the advancement of technological development, and the study really helped me understand how the augmented reality helps the society to solve major problems in terms of maintenance, expenses, and time consumes in the world of work. Since the study focuses on helping industrial sectors to cope up some issues with regards to training scenario and resources. So I definitely sure that this is one of the most effective way of solving issues in some part of industry or aspect of some industries.